How to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp, and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and then click on your profile here in the top, and now just click this camera icon here. And now all you need to do is just click gallery, and you can change it. Just select any photo you want, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.